noticed that some people on PoppoLive stand out more, get more attention, and enjoy special privileges? That is because they are VIP members. In this video today, I'm going to practically show you as well as explain to you what PoppoLive VIP is all about, the real benefits of becoming a VIP, how to become VIP, and most importantly, whether VIP is worth your money or not. So let's break it down clearly in this video. No hype, only facts. So what is PoppoLive VIP? VIP on PoppoLive is a paid premium membership, and it gives users exclusive features, and it gives you recognition and privileges. And you should also know that VIP is not compulsory, it is optional on PoppoLive. So what are the benefits of becoming VIP on PoppoLive? Number one, VIP, you are going to get VIP badge and special identity. So if you enter any room, everybody will know that you are a VIP. It's going to give you more visibility in the rooms and ranking. It's going to give you priority features and access, special gift, VIP only reward, better recognition by hosts and agents. Is going to enhance your user experience. So VIP helps you to stand out, but it doesn't replace consistency or good behavior on the app. So who should become a VIP members? If you are active, you are an active user, you should consider that. Supporters who enjoy gifting should try to check that. Users who want visibility, or people who are serious about PoppoLive engagement. But VIP is not ideal for you if you are a person struggling financially, or if you are expecting instant return, or anyone trying to recover loss. That is not a thing you should look into, right? So how do you become a VIP member? So I'm going to show you that practically. All right, so to become a VIP member, let me just go to my Poppo right here. So you need to have coins that you can use to activate the VIP. So right here, this is my profile. You can see this VIP. So because I'm not a VIP now, that is why it's gray, but once if I'm VIP, it will show blue. So I'll just click on the VIP right here. So once I click on it, there is different VIP. This is normal. This is, if I want super, I will click here. If I want diamond VIP, I will click here. If I want S, that's S VIP, I will click here. So each of them, the normal VIP is going to take 95,000 coins a month. Anytime I don't have coins to renew, I can decide not to be a VIP anymore. Just like right now, I'm not a VIP, but I'm about to activate the normal VIP. So like for this normal VIP, what are the privileges? Number one, I'll be collecting 3,500 coins every day for the next 30 days. So if you calculate it, it should be around 110 or 105,000 coins. So that means I will get 10,000 coins extra. Number two, live float tag. So you see all these adverts or people sending message that you see floating. If you are not a VIP member, anytime you send message, it's going to cost you 2,000 coins. But if you are a VIP member, you can just you get it every day. One special is coming for you, either you receive it or not. But as for the coins, you have to go to receive it manually daily, right? Even the platform speaker, all those are the privileges. Like you have about 10 privileges for the normal. So for the super VIP, if you click here, you are going to see it will cost you 450,000 coins a month. And if you check all this, you are going to see all the privileges. So that's how you will see. So for now, I want to activate the normal VIP so that you will see how it's done. But you should also remember, for me to activate the VIP, I already have 99,188 coins right now. This is my point. So I will just, it doesn't have to do anything with points, right? So you can just click on VIP, just as I've said. So now I will just click open normal VIP. It's going to ask me that they are going to spend, I'm going to spend 95,000 coins to join the normal VIP. I'll click on yes to confirm. So once I click on yes, look at it, it's asking me to even receive a reward for today. So once you have activated, that very day you receive you start receiving your reward. So as I click to receive my reward, it's going to show me it's taking a little bit time longer. All right, as you can see, it's right here. So where is the reward? It's right here, 3,500. Immediately I'll click receive. So if I receive now, so every day I'll be receiving my reward because I'm a VIP member. So many other reward is showing for me right now immediately, and it's automatic. So you can see right? It was 900 and something. So plus when they removed the 95,000, it was remaining 3,000 plus. So right now plus the 3,000 coins. So the coins that I'll be receiving, it will be right here, right? So that is how to activate the VIP on PoppoLive. So only activate VIP from inside the app. Avoid third-party offers. Please, anybody trying to tell you that give me money, I'll activate VIP for you, please don't do that. And here is a very important advice for you before buying any VIP. Very, very important. VIP is for experience and not peaks, not guarantee profit. Please. So if you are going for VIP, set a budget. Don't use emotion, right? Never borrow money for VIP. And I know a lot of people want to hear my own final verdict when it comes to all those live streaming and PoppoLive. So VIP, my own final verdict is this: VIP is worth it if you understand why you are joining, right? If your final goal is enjoyment, visibility, and premium experience, VIP can be a great choice for you, but always spend wisely and stay disciplined. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. This year, 2026, I want to do more of crypto. So for those that feel that I let them down 2025, don't worry. This year, we are going to do more trading. So if you are interested in the crypto trading, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question about live streaming, making money on the internet, cryptocurrency, entrepreneurship, feel free to ask. In this, I don't know when you are watching this video, but whenever you are watching, just know that I will always come and reply to your comment, right? And in this January, I am on a challenge of going live for the first, for every day for the next 30 days, right? For the month of January. So you can join me, ask me questions live right here on YouTube. And I have a free 30 days YouTube growth challenge that I did in 2025. The group is still open, it's on Telegram. You can join in case you are thinking of starting content creation, making money on the internet, or starting a YouTube. Everything is for free. But meanwhile, for those that want everything packaged, you can get it for free, or you can get everything packaged as a book where everything I put in that book, if you click, it will take you to video that you can watch. I package it also for 3,000 Naira. That is like $2 and some cents. So feel free. It doesn't matter your location. You can buy it in different currency. I will drop the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you have not liked this video, please do so. If you have not dropped a comment, please, I would greatly appreciate the interaction. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.